Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set an out of office or away message for your contacts on LinkedIn. So let us guide you through this. Head over to LinkedIn and log into your account. And after that guys, click into messaging here at the top. That is going to redirect you to your inbox. So here you may click into these three dots in the top right and select set away message. And after that you will be given access to that feature here. So here you may set an away message, for example, starting with the start date and with an end date, and leave a message below, like for example, I'm on vacation, I'm currently away or out of office, and I'll be back and respond to your message on the given date, etc., etc. However, guys, as you can see, this feature is available only for users with a premium membership here on LinkedIn, so pay that. So take that in account as well. And also remember guys that the out of office or away message can only be sent to your contacts and cannot be sent in groups, for example. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.